Hi grade ones, we're going to play Wordo and then have our spelling test. So I'm going to teach you how to make your own Wordo board. So you'll need a piece of paper or a whiteboard. And what you're going to do is from top to bottom, you're going to do two lines about a hand space apart. So top to bottom, and my hand can fit in each of those spaces. Then you're going side to side, side to side. And you should have your 9 squares for your Wordo board. Now, we're doing this a little bit different because usually we have 10 words on our on our Hedgie board, but we've only had 5 words to practice this week. So I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to use each word twice. Okay, so my board looks like this. Now, if I say use, what you'll do is you should have pom-poms at home, and if you don't have pom-poms, put a piece of Lego or a little action figure, a soldier, something to cover it up. So if I say use, you can pick which one to cover up, and you'll cover up one of them because I'll say each word twice. Then if I say use again, then you can cover up the other one. If you get a Wordo, you can stop playing and just fast forward to the spelling test, or you can try to get a blackout, which is get each single square covered up, okay? So if you need to pause the video to fill in your Wordo board, I'll hold up the sight words for you this week. So you can pause it here to fill in your board, and then press play when you are ready to play. I'm ready to play. So your first word is its. I-T-S, its. So then you'd cover up one of its. Number 2, how. How are you doing today? How. Next is each. Each of you should get a Wordo. I hope each of you do. E-A-C-H, each. Your next word is around. I hope to see you around the playground. Around playground rhymes. I do not have a Wordo yet. I wonder if you do. Your next word is how. Again, how. And that got me a Wordo. Woo! But we're going to keep playing. Your next word is use. Do you use toothpaste? I hope you use toothpaste. Your next word is each. Each of you should be getting close to getting a Wordo. Each. You have the word around again. I will see you around. And let's do the word its next. I-T-S. Your next word is use. I could use a friend like you. Use. And we're going to stop it there. So hopefully you got a Wordo. You can send me a picture if you did. We will move on to our spelling test. So to get ready for your spelling test, you need a couple of things. Number 1, you need to make sure there are no sight words in front of you. So if you're using a whiteboard or your Wordo board, you need to erase it or recycle it. Okay? And if you have your sight words like this, you need to put them away so you cannot see them. Okay? So do that first, and then let us make our own spelling test board. Okay? So what you need to do is get a blank piece of paper, and you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're ready, press play, and if you're not ready, press pause. I'm ready though, so I'm starting. So your first word is its. I almost spelled it out. Its. If you're not ready, press pause, because your number 2 word is use. I could use a drink of water. I'm thirsty. That's why I could use a drink of water. Number 3 is each. I hope each of you does really well on your spelling test each. Number 4, how. How are you doing? How. Think of what sound says ow. And for your longest word, number 5 is around. If you need more time, pause, but I'm going to show you the answers and you are going to be the teacher. Okay, so that means you are going to check mark your answers if they are right, and if you made a mistake, which is A-okay, pretend you spelled it's like this, you'll just spell the right way beside it. Just so you know, next time you got to work on that word. Okay? So I'm going to hold up the answers. You can pause it and check mark all of them or write the correct word beside, and then take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. Okay, so here are your sight words, how you spell them. Pause it here and send me your sight words. Thank you.